Hello and welcome to the latest update video for Teams Manager. We will take a look at the approval groups today and the webhook and the API that is available now for Teams Manager. Also, it is possible now to activate or deactivate the approval for specific requests. And you have now an overview of inactive and requested teams, and you can use the reporting feature. So stay tuned. I'll show you the latest features now. So first of all, we have a couple of changes in the settings page of Teams Manager. And this is where the most features we are updating now become visible. Our first new thing are the approver groups. You can create approver groups in here. Let's say for a specific country or for a specific subsidiary or department. So let's say you want to have a group of approvers that are just for requests from Germany. So maybe German requests, and also have a group description in here. Let's just copy paste this and then add approvers in here. Basically as many as you like, and then you can create this approver group. To use an approver group, you have to add them to a policy. As you probably know, the policies are down here in the governance part. They describe a package that gets rolled out based on a condition. So we do have a project policy package in here. We have a naming for that, an icon. We have a specific naming convention I already picked. We have the approver group and the life cycle. With all our features and things we've created in the background, it's possible in these policies to just pick them. So I have a specific naming convention. I have a specific approver group I can choose from. Let's take the for requests only from Germany. And then I do have the life cycle I can pick. And I update my policy package, and then I can set a condition. In my case, it's just when somebody requests a new team based on my project template, he gets the setup we've just seen. Another feature that is very important, and I teased already in the first couple of seconds in this video, was that you can decide if something needs an approval or not. So in this case, we do have a project template that should get rolled out together with all of these conditions and policies. So here we would need an approver to review the request of Teams Manager. In another case, maybe if somebody creates a test team or uses a playground template, you don't or maybe don't need the approval. So try out this feature. It's really nice. It works perfectly fine. And you can now have a bigger diversity in terms of requests and who needs to approve them and if they need to be approved. So these are the main features when it comes to our policy package and to the approver packages and approver groups. So the next feature is the webhooks we now have. So creating a new webhook is very, very easy. You just click on it on the new webhook button. You give it a name. So let's say call a D group or something. And then you give it a description, a trigger. So should it trigger and the team gets created, approved, or the template is saved, or the request is created. So it can make very, very different things. Let's say here team created, and then choose the automation. Let it be a Microsoft Flow or an Azure function. As you know, all of them do have a URL. You just have to copy paste them and you're good to go. For example, having an Azure function like a PnP script that should be rolled out because you want to have a ready to go SharePoint site already in the back of a rollout team. You could use a webhook for that, like I did here. So this is very, very powerful. If you like to try this, has a separate license specifically to test the new features. Just write us an email or click in the link below, and we will make this feature available for you. It's also documented, so there's a nice documentation for everything you can do with it. Just ask for help here. The other two features are overview and reporting features. So first of all, now there is an overview for the users available, where you can see how many unmanaged teams you have, how many managed teams and inactive teams. And with the reporting feature, you can create reports of requests and use templates in the last time. So this is a demo tenant. It's why it's still empty. But in your tenant, this should look much different. So thanks a lot for watching. These are the latest features we brought to Teams Manager. In the next couple of days, we will release also our common tutorial videos for every specific feature. And if you want to have another demo or somebody of us showing you how this works, just book a demo on the website. Have a nice day and thanks for watching.